Today I'm going to be making garlic rosemary chicken casserole. You're going to need 3 cans of cream of chicken soup, a cup of milk, noodles, which is cooked, shredded chicken, a teaspoon rosemary, and a tablespoon garlic powder. On to the recipe. The first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 350. While that's preheating, we're going to work on our sauce for our chicken casserole. I'm just adding the cream of chicken soup. I like my noodles moist. I don't like it real dry. Now, I measured out a whole cup of milk, but we'll see if we need the whole cup. This is 3 cans. I only might need 2 cans. We'll try 2 cans first with some milk in it. Two cans, and we're going to add half a cup of milk. About that much. And I'll whisk it. Because I do want the sauce to be thick, though. That's why I got 3 cans open. Now we're going to mix this up. I'll be back. You can add the whole cup in there. I'm going to be adding another half of the can of cream of chicken in here. And some more milk. That's a half a can more going in. And I'll mix it up really quick. And then another half a can. I should say half a cup of milk. We're going to add a 1/4 cup in right now. So far I have 2.5 cans of cream of chicken soup and 1.5 cups milk. Now we're going to add the tablespoon garlic powder to it and the teaspoon rosemary. Now we're going to put some noodles down here. Make sure they go all the way to the corners. So everyone gets some noodles. And then we're going to pile on the chicken too. Now I'm going to sprinkle the chicken on top of it. Because we want chicken all over this place. I shredded a rotisserie chicken. If you want to cook your own chicken, you can. Then the sauce is going to go over the top. Then I'll top it with breadcrumbs. I forgot to mention breadcrumbs in my intro. But I want to make sure everyone has some chicken in here. That was like 3/4 of the chicken that I used. This is easy to make. Now, we're going to pour the sauce over there. I want to make sure that sauce gets all over. And I'll get a spoon to ladle some on too. Now that that's done, we're going to sprinkle it with breadcrumbs. And these are Italian style. And I'm just sprinkling it. I want to make sure it's plenty liquidy enough. It's easy to do. Now we got the oven preheating. Now all we got to do is wait for it to get done, and then I'll put it in. Into the oven it goes, which is 350 for 30 minutes. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. Now I'll plate it up for you. This is what it looks like plated up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. It helps my numbers out. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.